and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Today we are back with a new video, and today's hair is provided by Nadula Hair. Now here is all the goodies they sent me in a package, and they sent me this beautiful glueless closure pre-cut highlight wig, y'all, in a body wave pattern, and the inch is 24 inches. This wig is so gorgeous, and it can be used as a glueless wig. So I will show you guys how this wig looks glueless and put it onto my client, but then I'm gonna go in and secure the wig down because glueless installs is not for everybody, and that's just how that goes. But however, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 5x5 highlighted pre-cut glueless wig, and it is a 24-inch body width, as I mentioned. And before I show you guys how this wig glueless, I'm just going to take some Ruby Kisses foundation and apply it on the inside of that lace closure, and then I'm going to place the wig onto her head, give it a nice little hot comb at the top, and then show you guys her shaking it on her head without any adhesive. Now there is many ways you can wear a glueless install. You can just put this wig on and go, or you can add a little glueless gel or a little glueless holding spray. Is up to you. So this wig can definitely be worn glueless. It is actually a glueless wig, in fact, but we're going to secure it down because every client that I have does not want glueless, especially if they don't really know how to take care of their hair or how the whole process works. So we decided to, after showing you guys it could be worn glueless, just add a little glue to secure it down. And of course, we are using our lace made adhesive, and I did about 3 layers to secure the wig down. So after I spread each layer, I am going to go ahead and begin to tack the wig down. And as you can see from the beginning of this video, the style that I chose to do was just a nice little bust down the middle with some crimps. It's been a long time since I did some crimps on my channel, and I couldn't find my crimper for a long time, y'all, but I ended up finding it. So y'all know we got to bring in the cute summer looks. So once I finish applying the glue, I will go ahead and take it down and get into the styling. both sides of the crimps are completed, this wig is giving everything it needs and more. And now we're going to just go ahead and clean up the parting area. So I'm taking that foundation and placing it in the inside of her part. And guys, when I do this next step, be very careful. If you could find you a brown holding spray, use brown, but I didn't have any brown, so I had to improvise with my black hairspray. But I sprayed it barely sprayed it. I just wanted to make the part look more cleaner and stand out more. So I took a very risky idea. So as I'm gonna say here, do not recommend to try this. If you do not have a brown holding spray, just go get brown. But I took a very big risk and took the black holding spray and just sprayed it extremely lightly, so it still looks like a like brown. But it just made the parting area look cleaner, so that's why I did it, so it doesn't look bad at all. And I actually love the final look of it all. And I'm just going to add a little oil sheen to the top, just to give it a nice little shine. But here is the finishing look. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a 360. I absolutely love this glueless wig from Nadula Hair, so make sure you guys check out the description down below on where to purchase this wig. And like I mentioned, you could wear this glueless as I showed you in the beginning, or you can glue it down. Either way it goes, you will have beautiful results. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Nadula.